My name's Ashley and welcome back to Ashley in the Kitchen. Today we're going to be making some roasted bell pepper and lime hummus, so let's get into the video. So now we talk about the ingredients we need. So we have one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, which I have in a bowl right here. We need 2 cloves of garlic, but I have a whole garlic at the moment. We have lime juice, but we have a whole lime right now just because we haven't juiced it yet. We have 1 whole yellow bell pepper, but you can use any kind of bell pepper you like, red, orange, green, whatever works for you. We have pita bread and butter to put on the pita bread, extra virgin olive oil, and for our spice mix, which we will put into hummus, we have 1 teaspoon coriander, salt, and cumin. Alright, now we need to get into making our hummus. Alright, so now we need to start cutting our bell pepper. You kind of want to cut it into these little bulbs you have right here, like this kind of shape. So you do that, and now you do the other side, like this. And I didn't do that right now, but make sure to keep your fingers in the inside, like this. And now you do the other side. Also, as a quick reminder, make sure to take the seeds out first. We need to put it in the roller for 450 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes, so we need to put these in here. And yeah, we put those in here for 5 minutes at 450. Alright, that sounds like our peppers are done, so let's grab our oven mitts and get these babies out of the oven. They look nice and charred and beautiful. So yeah, let's get these out and on here, and I'll close up this. Alright, now that they're out of the oven, we need to take all the skin off them. So you can just use a fork and kind of work with them a bit to get the skin off. And yeah, cut the lime in half. So we need to juice it to about 3 tablespoons of lime juice. So juicing is a bit of work, but it definitely adds a lot of flavor to your dish. So now we have our garlic cloves right here. And yeah, we are going to start making the actual hummus. Chickpeas to it. So let's add this. You need to get them all in there. It all adds super good flavor, even this tiny one that's left in here. Next we're going to add our cloves of garlic. So we're going to add these in here. Next we're going to add our spice mix, which is once again our cumin, salt, and coriander. So we're going to add that in here. We need our lime juice, about 2 tablespoons. So we're going to add that right here. And then, of course, our extra virgin olive oil, as you can see right here. So we take this off, and I don't know, this much maybe, that much. Oh wait, that's the wrong way. Oh my goodness. All right. So now we need to pulse and put our lid on. So we're going to take our lid and secure it, because you don't want hummus flying everywhere. I know it's delicious, but you don't want that. So you need to pulse until it's the right consistency. Do it until you get the right consistency you're wanting in your hummus. And I think that might be about right, but we'll do it one more time just to make sure. And yeah. So that is about the right consistency you want in your hummus. Alright, now we've transferred our hummus into the serving bowl, and although it looks delicious now, we need to refrigerate it at least 20 minutes before eating, so let's get that into the refrigerator. But before we get it into the refrigerator, we need to, of course, make sure we don't need any additional spices or anything before we get it in, and we need to eat it. Of course, we love eating it though. So we need to taste test and see how it tastes. I don't think it needs anything else. I think that's absolutely perfect, so now we can get this into the fridge. Alright, now that our peppers are broiling and our hummus is in the refrigerator, we need to start buttering our pita to serve it with. So let's butter our pita right here. You need to butter it and get it all over there. So yeah, it might take a bit of work, but trust me, it'll be delicious. Alright, so now that we've buttered up our pita, we need to get these into the oven at 400 degrees for 8 minutes. Alright, so now we've added our our peppers and we have cooked our pita. So now we need to see how it tastes. So we're gonna put some hummus on here and let's see. This is really good. This is amazing. So tune in next time to see what other things we are making. And subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!
And action.
Alright, so first you want to add your chickpeas. So we're going to add this to the food processor. Oop, that was a mistake.
Action.
Alright, so the ingredients you will need are 1 yellow bell pepper, or you can use red, whatever works